I cannot wait for 2 or 3 days for this thing to know. And before we know, we lose money. So that what happened yesterday on GU during the New York session. We tried to force a trade, but the trade doesn't work out. So I apologize for those trade setup we called that they hit as stop loss. Most of the time stop loss do hit more. So I apologize for those trade I called yesterday. We just tried to look for to trade in it, but it didn't go well. So we just focus on our main direction now. So GBP USD is bullish from daily. We have already analyzed. But my problem in now is we all know that this guy is bullish, right? Is it good? Is it time to buy now? For me, I will tell you my honest review. For me, I'm not too okay to buy GU for now. Is it bullish? Yes. There's no market can be bullish and you buy, but you still make money. You still lose money, I mean. Why? Because if you are buying or you are selling based on the market direction, but you are not buying you are not buying or selling the right place. So whatever is happening now, I will not buy. I will not advise or buy now. Why? Because I don't tell the reason. Number one, we are still much we are still much in a this thing. So we are still trading on what? So we are still trading in a premium, right? So I would have loved this guy at least to come to the 50%, maybe weak the 50%. So maybe by then we'll be looking for a buy setup, right? But where is buy now? For me, I'm not too okay. So though we are bullish, but is it good to buy now? I would say no. Let's be patient and see what trade we do. And that doesn't mean that this bullish you are seeing now, you cannot just go and and buy and continue. So I'm not saying that the bullish may not continue, but now as a trader, is it good to jump into this buy? No. Can the buy continue like that? Yes. So if you are buying already, make your own decision. Me, I will only give you a guideline. Now, there are two. When I'm going to join a trade, I look out for some bombs and the order flow of the market. So the first and foremost is that we have a bullish order flow, right? This is where we we break this high. This is the higher high we created. So from this higher high now, so where's our trading range? So our trading range started from this low here. So this is our low, right? But this is where we really break structure. This is where we break structure, and that is the other block. So, but this is the low, and where's our swing high? So this is our swing high, meaning that anything between here and here, we are still bullish, right? The only way this guy will change to bearish is when we close below here. So this is where we break structure, and since we break structure above here, there's no change of character on this 4 hours time frame. There's nothing like change of character. This high did not take out this high. So this will have been a mini change of character. So there's nothing change of character here. So everything that is happening here is liquidity. Internal, we call it the internal liquidity. So now, now that I've know the overall strength, the other market order flow that is bullish. Then the next thing I want to consider is that where are the liquidity places? I can spot out liquidity one, liquidity two, internal liquidity. So now liquidity one has been taken care. You can see immediately they take out this old low, this liquidity here. That's why they are pushing price. So that place can also hold for them to push price up since they are already seek liquidity here, right? But there's still an imbalance that's still here. So the reason why I'm not buying, why I'm not advising buying, is just because price is not in a discount yet. So I'll still be waiting. So the where is it good for us to looking for a buy? Let's say this time push and give us a down like this. So this is where we can, it may not get to this other block, right? But anything from discount, then so we can look for what? We can now begin to look for a buy opportunity, whether 61.8, 70, 75, 88. I would love if they come back to especially seek this liquidity like this. Yes. So I would love, so that is my zone. I already mark out my zone, which I love to buy GBP USD for. Anything like that, I'm not interested to jump enter GBP to trade to buy. So for now, GBP USD, I am not buying now, I am not selling now. So this is this zone, everything here that I want to buy from. Rather, I will not sell. So if you create a higher high, then that will give another break of structure. We can look for. So that is clear. That is clear for GU. Please take notes. Take notes on that, right? So that will not be caught unaware. Now, the same thing is applicable to Euro USD. The same thing is happening on Euro. So Euro, are we bullish on Euro? Yes. The first thing that where's the market order flow? Market order flow is what? Is bullish. Now, this fair value gap is a monthly fair value gap that push price down. But it doesn't mean that before we can change character, say we are bearish, price need to close below this dotted line until we have a daily close here that will give us a change of character. So as that has not happened, what do we focus? We focus buying, buying. So there's no change of character yet. This is the last eye on 4 hours and break structure. So I would also love to see price. Now, where are the liquidity on this road? We have liquidity 1 has been taken care, then liquidity 2, liquidity 3. So I would love for them to seek any of this, one of these two liquidity. Then that can be a kind of bullish evidence for us to go long on this guy. So let's see. Even also Euro USD, I will love more downside before I will bullish. I will start bullish. So I will love one more liquid to be seeking. Please, quick update on that USD GBP share. I think that price may still push up, so it's not doing what you may. If I close my own, I think I closed minus. I closed minus about $8 this morning. And the reason why I closed, so let me quickly update. I believe that price will push up to this demand zone. So please, if you're on that trade, if your losses is not too much, just close. You know, there's that way you see trade, you know that okay, this guy is ready. You know, when profit here yesterday, some people cash out already. But price came, use this big imbalance to sit and move. So I'm looking at price may get to this play. That's why I closed out my trade. I think imagine something that have given me very good profit yesterday, but now I closed at about minus $8. It's fine. The ability to cut your loss quick when you see that this thing is going against your original plan, just go out. Don't hold more on winning than holding more on losing trade. Some of us, we are in a drawdown. We can leave you drawdown for 1 week, for 3 days. It's deep. It's going deeper. You move your stop loss, but when you are in profit, instead of leave the profit to run, you close with fear. With fear, you close profit out. No. As a trader, you must know when to cut. You must know when to leave trade. So if you are seeing that trade, me, I'm out with $8 minus. So it's fine at least. Instead of me to to risk it, to hit my 1%, I quickly go out. I'm seeing these guys coming here. So when you get to this place, if the sell will continue, we will know. So for now, go out of that trade for now. So I just give that update. So what's happening on gold? Gold is bullish. Those of you that trade gold, you can continue looking for buying opportunity on gold. This guy, notice this is what we predicted that gold is bouncing from, and you can see it's bouncing. It has crossed 5,000 already. It has crossed the 5,000 already. So you can go to a smaller time frame and wait for pullback and look for buying. So you can use this another. It has for another base now. It has formed another base here. So just go to 15 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. If you trade gold, though, maybe if anything draw, then you can look for buy. So that is gold. That is gold. People will still wait for you to say buy. Yes, yes. Any You see, I will always give an update. If I send out a signal or call a trade, once I don't make sure if it's not doing well, I will update. But if I don't measure it, mean that it's still intact. So person is asking me about AUD share, leave that one is a buy limit. So gold is bullish. We are coming back to this all-time high. All you need to do, if this can give a very good discount again, will be opportunity to join to buy gold. So there's no much to analyze. Everything is very straightforward. Very straightforward. All you need to do is just to know where to position yourself. Don't sell. Don't sell. Don't do quick sell. Rather do quick buy on that. So that's the update. So we have update on our direction for GU, EU, gold. All of them, they are bullish market. All we just need to get a discount price and to join the bullish. Likewise, this one is also a bullish market. So all this thing, we go to have a lot of patience too. We go to have a lot of patience, I tell you. So the patient dog is the fattest bone. So yeah, this is where we on daily we have break structure, right? So what do we need now? We allow price to come to discount, then we can see we don't buy at premium territory. So if this guy come down to at least half of this move, then we can seek for a buy opportunity. So on this also, we are waiting. But this guy now, if this guy begin to give us a kind of structure, because this is a very long pole, we have liquidity, we have liquidity, we have liquidity. So about 1, 2, 3 places of liquidity to seek. So now, this on 4 hours, we don't have anything that gave us a change yet. So I don't know if maybe this guy can go up, maybe take this liquidity here, then give us that will become what a change of character. Then we can now begin to seek for buy, for a sell. So, but for now, nothing of such. If you like, if this guy it start like this, then this will become internal shift in market structure. But the overall still remain bullish because this is the high that breaks structure. So for us to change character properly, we need price to take out this low. So just understand the concept of the value change and invalid change. So we are still bullish on this. Let's see what will happen. AUD USD. The same thing is happening here. It's happening. We are bullish and we remain bullish. until this guy prove otherwise. So for now, price is bullish. Is it good to buy now? No, it's not. This is not even a good way to buy. You don't buy high, you buy low, then you maximize very good profit. So all the trades are just doing. We just need to give us good entry, right? You just need good entry. So let's look at other JPY pair now. JPY is doing well. I will start with GJ. These guys are doing well. My God, these guys are doing well. Just I'm not any of this trade. So this guy is doing well.
You know, if you remember, I asked about this GBP JPY yesterday, and me too, I was confused about the whole thing. That is why I wasn't in the trade.
So if you are confused, you leave trade. And yesterday I analyzed it. I said, looking at higher time frame, that the price is bullish. The higher time frame will always supersede smaller time frame. What do we do here? We just seek liquidity, tap into this fair value gap, and that is the where price is. That's where price is playing out. So though on 4 hours, 4 hours was giving us a kind of confusion, because clearly on 4 hours this is a shift in market structure. Why? Because we take liquidity above and we see. So now what is playing out? JPY, let me tell you, me, I don't even like JPY pair. This JPY is not reliable. I tell you, the best now, based on my study, it's better to sell JPY than to buy JPY. If you go and look at, let's go to the yen basket. The yen basket. The yen basket. You see what the yen basket? I think last week I pointed out that since the yen basket, if you go to smaller time frame, the yen basket is as bearish something. Look at it. The yen basket is always bearish. It's always bearish. So anything may pull back. This guy has been bearishing since you can see till 2025. And if you go back, most of the years is always bearish. Apart from what year? 2024 that gave us this kind of bullish. Most of the time, the yen is always bearish. So you can see the yen is most of the time always bearish. So when you have that philosophy, it's better if it's doing a pullback, let it do a pullback. Let it do a pullback. Don't buy it. You understand what I mean by selling the yen? I'm talking of the Japanese. So when I say selling it, meaning that when you see GJ, anywhere is JPY is quote, you'll be buying the base. Anywhere JPY is base, you'll be selling the quote. That's just the meaning. So you can see what the yen basket is doing. The yen basket, I know that this place, this guy here, since price fail here, if you to break here, I know that the yen basket will begin to sell. We begin to sell. I tell you. And that's why I bought CAD JPY. There was the other one. When I bought CAD JPY, Mr. Damasus, you are saying, you see it bearish. But at the long run, that CAD JPY did well. So the yen basket, I prefer to always to bury the yen than to bullish on the yen. So now this one is a valid on 4 hours, is a valid break of structure, which means by chances, at least market should be able to sell on this supply zone. But because the yen is most time bearish, and I don't like to use if I want to do, I use confirmation entry on the yen. So this guy is bullish. There's nothing we can do. So this is the price is come to seek this side. So when this price seek that high now, that will give us what? Let's see what will happen. That will give us another shift in market structure back up. Then we can, when it come down again, we can look for bullish. So all the yen, everywhere you see the yen is, see the card JPY. It was a very good move. This is where I get entry, where we shift the market. Now on 4 hours, do we shift the market structure? Yes, this is a valid shift in market structure. But when you know the kind of peer you are dealing with, you must behave very well, because most of the time I know that this guy is always what? Bearish. Look at it. He always look at it bullish. Any sell is set to continue to buy. So the yen is, so let's look how we can get trade. So let's see if price come up here. If we give us, we just need price to give us a break of structure here, or change of character again, then pull down, then we can, or before price come here, if we see a pullback, then you can get in here and continue to buy. So which one is at Euro US? This guy should give us like this one. Now let me delete this. This guy was struggling here, but we got the move. So if price come here now, please pay attention on this imbalance here. So if price come back to this fair value gap on euro, so you can look for, you can join this buy. So if price come back here, you can join the bag and target the previous target that high. So this one is still good, but we just need to pull back. Please, any pullback you are seeing here, don't use as a sell. It's continuation for it's a bullish. We'll use as a bullish continuation and entry for us. So any pullback is pullback to buy Euro JPY. We still have a very good profit to go. Target is, that is about 240 pips. You can use about let's say we use about 60 pips to gain 240 pips. That's a very good target. So all eyes on Euro JPY. All eyes on Euro JPY. Must give a pullback. Look for 1 hour 15 minutes. Wait for bullish confirmation and buy. So I think that's the only way we can join. We want to join the yen. The rest of the yen is gone. This one give me a good delivery, very perfect one, all alignment. So this one has gone. So we are waiting for pullback. Then we continue. Then AUD chef, like this one's already. Also, this guy is bullish, so we still remain what? We remain bullish. So we have a break of structure. If price come to this zone, we'll be looking for a buy zone, right? Euro AUD, this was delivered for me yesterday. So looking for another entry again. Why am I looking for another entry? All these are 4 hours base. We have a break of structure. I want price to come to that supply zone. The stop loss is 113 pips. No, this is quite big, but don't be carried away by the stop loss. Just divide your this thing and then get your loss size. So this one we are looking for a pullback to continue. Where will this one may likely go? Where will this one may likely go? It may likely let's see weekly. So I'm looking at this drawn liquidity here, right? So it's good. The sell, you can still join the sell on that AUD, Euro AUD. and AUD is very strong. So all we just need to be doing is just to follow the structure. We are not struggling, we are not dragging with the market, just following. So unless this guy break above this high before, so if he hit us here, now I'm risking 1 pips here. Let's say he come, he break here, he close here, that is change of character. So I will accept my 1% loss, then I'll wait for buy. So I know that this guy is buying. I'll set for the buy. So simple as that. It's whether he buy or he sell. So if I'm risking 1% for the sell now, one thing what I'm doing, I'm following structure. So which means everything is alignment. But in case, okay, the reversal is coming, it reverse. This is the high that break this low. So I need price to take out that high. Simple. So it will hit my stop loss, right? I accept my loss. You can't win all trade. But when you lose, do you lose gallantly or you lose stupidly? So if you do like that, then the next thing is to buy. Then that at least the 1% I lost here, I will make like 2 to 3% back here. So that is the logic. So other ones, this one paid me that I missed this trade. I saw it quiet. I saw it that this is going to buy, but you can't take all trade. I was in other trade, but I mark it out that this guy, he will buy from here. This is a clear break of structure. Price come back to where? So this guy here, to discount. You see, price come back to discount. Seek liquidity. There was liquidity one here. When he seek this liquidity first, I say no. Because why did I say no? Because that liquidity was in what? In a premium. You can see immediately seek it. Some people will start buying, talk that is buying. But I say no. This guy will come back here. So just like the way I'm waiting patiently on GU and EU. So immediately he seek here and he close here. I know that this guy will buy. So as you can see now, it has been a very good buy trade. So that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Guy, trade no pass this. So it's not by struggling. It's just know what you are doing in the market. Just patient. So even this one now is still what? It's still going. So let's see. The reason why I don't like this one has not given me, okay, do we have a proper break of structure here? We have it also, but I don't like. I would love it if you can come down more. Then here will become our swing guy. Then we'll way back and continue selling. Is it selling? Yes. You can see market has been selling. So follow the market trend. Nas, this guy, I don't have interest for Nas yet. You can see that price is just moving between these two. So I'm not interested now. Even the sell, I am not going to interest. Even with breakout, I'm not interested in sell. I'm waiting for buying. Even this one. So, okay, this is another trade that I want us to pay attention to. So I've given in the J family. So what we can do is now is I've given us euro. Wait up, because other ones have moved. Only euro can still give us a pullback to enter. Likewise, we can still get entry on what? On USD. So what we know what I love this, but I don't know if price will come back to this fair value gap. Oh, if price will have come back here, this will have been a very good place for us to what? To buy this guy from. I tell you, if price, let's say there's a news that can bring this guy here, this will be a very good entry for us. And we are going to buy and leave it to run to that drawn liquidity. That will have about 500 pips. If price can come there, the stop loss will be around 100 pips. They will target 500. That's 1:5. Your mind carrier, can you stay like that?
But
Oh
is there
my
news coming out today?
There's news, so there's news. There's no bad.
Well, watch out for it.
So I would have loved this guy to come to that to that imbalance here. To that imbalance. Me, I will just do. I don't care. After this class, I will do a buy limit at this imbalance. I'll just leave it. Any day, any year, come back to that place. Let's see. So we just need price to give us discount again to join this buy, whether like this or we continue. Because join here now is and it can continue, but the ideally is to give us a pullback, then we join the buy. So guys, that is all. There's nothing much. We have done everything. So for now, all hands. There's no trade for now. There's no trade. Sorry, there's no trade. So this one, I would love this one to go off small to continue selling. Yes, that USD card. If you can push up to this around this place, then we can look for a sell. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time this morning. Afternoon session, if you have the chance, you can still join to see how the market look like. So for now, there's no trade call, but we have directions. We have what we are looking out to. We just focus and be patient to see what the market will do. Guy, I want you to crash. So that is it. Thank you for your time. See you the afternoon, everyone.